So a few things to think about. Number one, with the backwater valve model, you can let people use it, but just keep an eye on it because because of the way it was put together, it's not fully watertight, so keep an eye on it. You would also want to show people the home, provide the full context. People miss the context sometimes if you just focus on the backwater valve. So point out where the home is located, point out where the city street is located, point out that we have a sewer connection underneath the ground that connects the home's plumbing system to the city system. And this is where you would place the backwater valve in this underground pipe, and it will intercept water that would be backing up into through that system. People will also ask you where the valve would be located. There's a few options. The best location is inside the home, underneath the basement floor slab, close to the foundation wall that's closest to the city street. That provides the best protection, and also backwater valves come with an inspection chamber so you can inspect and maintain it. There's another kind of valve that you install outside of the building, and that's less expensive to install if you're doing some major work on your building, like replacing your sewer lateral. So that's a good option, is a low-cost option, but it's harder to maintain, so we tend to prefer this type of installation. A couple of numbers you might be interested in for a new home installation of backwater valve, typically $250, but for a retrofit, you're looking at 10 times that, at least $2,500 or more, because you have to break up foundation, you have to break up the floor slab, you have to cut into the pipe, you have to refill everything, and that can be very expensive. So at ICLR, we're advocating for new installation to have backwater valves, but in retrofit and high-risk scenarios and retrofit scenarios, they can be installed, although at a higher price. So the three most important methods for protecting homes from basement flooding: number one, good lock grading, good drainage on the surface of the ground; number two, protecting buildings from sewer backflow; and number three, good foundation drainage, good sump pump systems, backup power for sump pumps.